Hello guys, today we are going to unpack Vicona 2% tent. It's a very lightweight tent. It comes with a really good carry-on bag. You can easily carry. Let's open it and check. So this bag is you can use it again and again for camping. So this is the first time I'm opening any tent. I never had any tent, so I think this is the tent and this is the flyer. It goes on top. Let's set up, and it comes with the pole. This is a pole to connect the tent. Also, this pole goes around. Let me do it. Now to in the tent. This is really easy to set up. Is outside, so which is really easy to put the pole. Let's put this too.
So this one is like carved right now, one side,
Yeah,
because all the rods are really like large. So this should be like carved, and it will coming out. See, because there's some really good shape right now. Look, okay, so the tent is ready actually.
yeah, it's really easy.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
It does have two windows.
Yeah, this side and that side.
Yeah. There's a both way zip,
So
so
it's
you can lock
zip
it,
to
see
one.
the-
So yeah.
two side you can zip it from inside or outside. I'm not sure how the flyer will go.
So the flyer probably, let's see. Probably this way. Just like this way. Yeah. Yeah, this is the way, so we have to lock actually with the added okay. It looks really cool, man.
Yeah, it's a really easy.
It's
to set
really easy and really cool. So like if you are going for camping, if it is not outside is cold, so this is really perfect for 2 persons. Definitely I recommend it for couple. Yeah, like there are like I think 4 ropes.
Yeah.
So all the ropes will go to.
It does have a zipper. This is the zipper.
Yeah, this is the zipper for the entry, I believe. Yeah, for the entry. Yeah, if you want to go inside actually. So oh, okay.
I think it's too far.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. I think probably one more here. So let's go one at here.
Close it.
This is for double protection actually. So the basic one, the bottom one is really cool. You don't need to put it on top, but for double protection, yes. So now it's tight. And this is the first time for us, so probably for the second time we can do it very nicely. But even at the first time we are doing it, I mean, we're trying our best. So let's see. Let's go inside. Leave it. Button. So now he is trying to go inside actually the tent. By let Jan.
This is the thing.
So let him go inside
Person,
the tent.
office space.
Yeah.
It does have like 2-person space inside, and also for the air. For the ventilation, it has like little window which you can keep it open at night time. You can hook something like light or everything. Yeah. See this small thing? You can keep it like tight from outside, and it will protect you from rain, but it will give you the ventilation. In 2 sides we have, and for 2-person there are like enough space. Okay. Yeah, this is really nice. This is the first time I have set up a tent, so maybe I did a lot of mistake, which will be corrected next time. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you.